Some zodiac couples have that raw magnetic pull so intense it's either a total obsession or a complete disaster. Today, we're ranking the most explosive sexual pairings from toxic to soulmate level passion. Will your sign make the cut? Let's get into it. Toxic tier, too hot to handle. Starting with the pairings that bring the heat, but also the chaos. These two can't keep their hands off each other, but their fights are just as passionate as their other activities. Aries and Scorpio, straight up war zone, the sexual tension, off the charts. The control issues, also off the charts. If they're not breaking beds, they're breaking each other's hearts. Gemini and Pisces, one word, confusion. Gemini is all about variety, while Pisces is deep and dreamy. They start as a fantasy but end in miscommunication. Still, the chemistry is unreal. Leo and Capricorn, power struggle 101. Leo wants to be worshipped. Capricorn wants to stay in control. The push-pull dynamic is intoxicating until someone's ego gets bruised. Intense and passionate, but risky. Now we're in that dangerously hot territory. These couples have sizzling attraction, but if they don't handle it right, things could spiral. Taurus and Libra, luxury, romance, and sensuality overload. They spoil each other, but Taurus wants security while Libra flirts with everyone. It's sexy until jealousy creeps in. Sagittarius and Cancer. Think of a wild, untamed fire, Sag, and a cozy, emotional waterfall, Cancer, when it's good. It's exhilarating when it's bad. It's emotional chaos. Aquarius and Virgo. Aquarius brings the innovation. Virgo brings the precision. And the bedroom, unexpected fireworks. But emotionally, they live in two different worlds. Soulmate level sexual energy. And now we're at the top tier, oh my god, I can't get enough pairings. These couples don't just have chemistry, they have cosmic chemistry. Scorpio and Pisces, deep, spiritual, and emotionally charged. Their connection feels like fate, wildly intimate and borderline psychic in the bedroom. Aries and Leo, two fire signs. Sparks fly. They match each other's energy, making for a dynamic, playful, and passionate connection. Pure power couple vibes. Capricorn and Taurus, slow burn but worth it. Earth signs who build deep trust and an unstoppable sensual connection. This is that forever type of passion. So, did your sign make the list? Or did I miss a pairing that you know is fire? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more astrology breakdowns.